Hey Whimsy Ray fans, yep, it's me again posting another video. So as I mentioned, I'm doing 20 famous black women that are going to be displayed downtown at my second solo exhibition, and that will be at Genesis Block on 20 Wrights Alley, and that is going to be in downtown Wilmington. Like I mentioned, it is in an alley, but it's a beautiful building. It used to be an art gallery years ago. And so this is their second art exhibition, and this is through the help of Wilmington Arts Council here in Wilmington, North Carolina. So if you would like to see more of my art, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and I will be able to also create more art as a result. This is Whoopi Goldberg, and I did her in this fashion because she's a very colorful personality, and she's such an amazing woman and quite the character. So I had to use a lot of color in her background. This is a mixed pour that I did, and it's got purples and red and black, white, and so I did that as the background for her drawing. So the title of the art piece is "Are You Kidding Me?" And I had to do that because the expression on her face, and I wanted it to be almost cartoon-like, her drawing, because she just has such she's a great comedian, number one. And number two, she just has that look on her face quite often when she's talking with other people, like, don't give me that, which I love, because we need more Whoopi Goldbergs. We really do. I'm telling you, especially now. But anyway, I can't help but to think about a lot of the movies she played in. And one of my favorites is in the movie Ghost. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. But her character in that movie just cracks me up. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I know many people may not feel comfortable watching that show, but don't worry, she's in a lot of other things. And she plays an actress very, very well. Just an excellent comedian, talk show host, all of the above. So I had to do a drawing of her, Whoopi Goldberg, and she again will be displayed. She's a 16 by 20 drawing or painting. And again, this is what you call a mixed pour. Of course, everything has been sealed with a fixative. All my artwork has, and then it's been signed with my signature on the bottom. And this is Rachel with Whimsy Ray's Artistry. Thank you very much for watching.